Most FPV pilots are super hyped in the start, but within just 6 months, a huge number of them quit. Today, I tell you why and how you can avoid becoming one of them. So, in this video, I'm going to share 5 most important reasons to avoid if you want to become successful in the FPV hobby. Alright, let's start with the reason number 1, a money trap. FPV gear is expensive until you start earning with it. So, if you're just starting the FPV hobby, then pick a good radio transmitter and start with simulator. Because if you are starting directly with flying FPV drone, then you are going to crash your brand new FPV drone in the first flight. And that's for sure. And then you will have to buy new propellers and components for your FPV drone. And that's pretty expensive. So you'll get stuck in money trap. Now, if you have done with simulators, then I will suggest you to go for 3.5-inch FPV drone with analog setup. It is the best setup for beginners if you have limited money right now. And here's the secret tip. Don't rush to upgrade your gear again and again. Focus on learning when you are just starting. Now, the next reason I'm going to tell you will open your eyes. Next up, the reason number 2, constant crashes that can kill your motivation. As I told you previously, if you are not starting with simulator and starting with actual FPV drone, and you are going to crash your drones again and again, which can kill your motivation, and you are about to leave the FPV hobby. Motivation drops when things breaks too often. But remember, if you are not crashing, you are not learning. And this is the one of the best rule to follow if you want to see yourself successful in this hobby. And here's the secret tip for you. If you are crashing too often, and don't panic and don't lose hope. It is just a part of process. Now the next reason will show you why you feel stuck. So don't skip the video and watch the video till end. Moving on to the reason number 3, getting stuck with the same routine without progress. If you are flying your FPV drones regularly, you can try and experiment new FPV tricks and new locations, whether you are doing freestyle or cinematic. Because flying in same looks and tricks can bore you, and this is the reason you feel stuck. And it matters a lot for every FPV pilot. Now, if you are flying alone, then the next reason is for you. The reason number 4, lack of community and support. Flying alone is isolating. So make new FPV friends, fly with them, join FPV communities, and participate in FPV races. It will help you learning from each other and will feel safe around yourself with the friends like you while you are flying. It will motivate you more and the fear of breaking stuff will vanish. Because flying alone with no mentors, no friends will bore you and you will become lazy flying alone and it will make you lose interest in the hobby. And because of this reason, the most FPV pilots quits the hobby. Now the final reason will hit you harder because this is totally relatable to every FPV pilots. So let's get into it. The reason number 5, having expectations that don't match reality. Now if you are in a FPV hobby from several months or is just beginning, then stop expecting to fly like Johnny FKV or Mr. Steel because when reality comes to you, then you will be demotivated and you will start comparing yourself from other professional FPV pilots who gain 5 to 10 years of their life in the hobby. But don't worry, I'll having solution for it. And if you follow this, then you can also fly like professional FPV pilots in very short time. So the solution is track your progress and celebrate small wins. And the main thing is to note down your mistakes and start working on it to overcome them. And you'll see yourself flying like pro in very short time. Knowing these pitfalls already puts you ahead of most beginners. FPV is hard, but it's worth it if you stick with it. If you found this helpful, then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you have some doubts, then comment below. I'll try my best to help you out. Keep flying, keep doing.